Adobe Creative Cloud offers a great set of apps for creators of all levels, with plans starting at around $10 per month and going up from there depending on which plan you choose. The cost can add up. In this video, I'll show you the best free Adobe InDesign alternatives. So I'm Sarvesh now and you're watching Sarvesh YouTube channel. Come on, let's start. Adobe InDesign is not as well known as the others mentioned in earlier videos. It's used in desktop publishing to create posters, magazines, flyers, brochures, and other types of documents. The best free alternative to InDesign is Scribus, which has all the tools you need, including thought management, color profiles, and also supports vector drawing tools. It has a very similar layout of grids, frames, and layers, making the transition from InDesign described as earlier. The latest stable release is available for all major operating systems. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description right below. If this video was useful, see other Adobe alternatives video in the playlist right here. Do you use a free program that's great to any of the Creative Cloud apps? Let us know about it in the comments below. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon right below to get notification first from my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.